Hello all, this is Francisca and today I'll be unboxing, reviewing and also showing you a demo on how you can use non-contact infrared forehead thermometer handgun HT820D by HTI. Well, we all know that we need to keep certain COVID-19 essentials like these at hospitals, banks, educational institutions, workplaces and also at our homes so we can check on ourselves and also our loved ones without having to go to a clinic. If we are, for example, handing out this thermometer handgun to a guard or a security personnel, we must make sure that we educate them on the correct usage, which you'll be seeing in this video. So let's get started. So here is the unboxing and review of non-contact infrared forehead thermometer handgun, and the model number is HT820D from the brand HTI, and this is the dual thermometer which checks the temperature of the surface as well as body, and the response time is 0.5 seconds and accuracy is 0.3 degrees Celsius, which is great. Also 34 measuring data can be saved in this particular thermometer. And this is a section where you need to pay attention to is normal, slight and serious temperatures which are displayed in green, yellow and red. So the green temperature says 36.7 degrees Celsius, after which till 37.6 degree is slightly higher, and after 37.6 degrees Celsius to 38.7, if it displays these numbers in LED, if it displays 38.7 till 38.7, it is serious. That means the person or the surface is carrying more temperature, like high temperature. Talking about the specification and technical parameters, here is the complete specification and technical parameters of the non-contact thermometer. Weight, size, usage, battery. Let me tell you one thing, that this product does not come with batteries. You need to put external batteries for this product. And storage temperature, all the details are given here. Let's quickly unbox the product. This is the warranty card. So the product also comes with a user manual which is very easy for a layman to understand. You should always read your manuals for a clear understanding of the product description and specification. So this is the non-contact infrared thermometer handgun. So this is how the product looks. Quickly talking about the specification of the product, this is the battery where you need to put this is a battery section where you need to put in your batteries. And talking about the specification of the products, as you can see here, there are four keys or four buttons. This is a LED display where it displays the temperature, and this is the machine key, and this is the transducer. Now let's understand how this product works. So this is the machine key. First you need to press the machine key and the thermometer is on. Keep at the forehead and check the temperature. It says 36.4. Now talking about the mode is to change. If you want to check the temperature of the person body, you need to switch into body or surface. So if you want to take the temperature of the surface, then you need to switch the mode to surface and take the check the temperature of the surface. So surface, let me check, it is 25.5, and once you switch into body, check the temperature of the body, it says 36.5. So this is how the mode key works. This is the left and right keys. It shows the log of the temperatures taken before and after. So these are all the previous logs given here. And talking about this yellow button, long press of which will switch off the LED display, and it will be like this. and long press of which will switch on the LED light. And reiterating the mechanism again, let me show you how this product works. So this is the machine key. You press the machine key to switch on the thermometer and select the mode you want, body or surface. Once you click into body, press the machine key and the transducer will check the temperature and display it here. It says 36.2, and these are the lock keys, front, back and front, and this is the long press of which will switch off the LED display, long press of which will switch on. So this is the function of this yellow button. And the mode, as I told you previously, it is a surface and body, switching between body and surface. It says 25.6. so this is a very handy, and as you are seeing here, the result is within seconds. The result is given within seconds. Here it is reading 36.2, which is very accurate and within fraction of seconds. Very handy product and a must-have product for every home, offices, workplaces, hospitals. And also, if you are handing over to the security personnel, you need to tell them how this functions. And also these temperatures, if it says 38.7, 37.6 and 36.7, which is normal, slight and serious. Also, this needs to be kept at 5 cm to 8 cm distance and not very close to the body or forehead. So this is it. This is how the product works. Buy it at the best price from Shake. Before you check the temperature, make sure that you have selected body as the mode. Press the machine key of the thermometer handgun and point it at the forehead of a person at a distance of 2 inches. Now check the reading displayed in the LED of the thermometer handgun. Hope this video has helped you in understanding the importance and usage of non-contact infrared thermometer handgun. So, what are you waiting for? Buy it today and get a best deal on our website shakedeal.com. Stay tuned with our YouTube channel Shake Deal for more such informative videos.